Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making pre-preparation of purslane and storage. So guys, I just wanted to share with you how I go about preparing my purslane. So after harvesting my purslane, I would then wash it thoroughly. I would cut it up into the size that I want to work with. And then I will boil it for between 3 to 8 minutes. Now what I usually do is season that water. So either I would use just salt to season the water, or I would use no chicken bouillon, about a tablespoon of it, in order to give flavor to the water as I'm boiling the purslane. The reason why I boil it, because purslane is high in oxalates. And oxalates, for those who are prone to kidney stones, can cause kidney stone formation. So if you are prone to kidney stones, then high oxalate foods, you want to boil it before you prepare it. So for example, spinach is a high oxalate food. Even sweet potato is a high in oxalate as well. With high oxalate foods, you want to boil it first. When you boil it, it helps to leach some of the oxalate into the water, and then you throw out that water, and so you reduce the amount of oxalates that you are intaking. So I personally would not remove completely high oxalate foods from my diet, but I would boil it in order to reduce the amount of oxalates, and of course mix things up. You don't want to be taking high oxalate foods all the time if you are prone to kidney stones. But when you do use it, you want to be able to reduce the amount of oxalates by boiling it first. So that's why I boil it. So after I finish boiling it, I would then drain it out, and then I would leave it to cool. So I would cover it and leave it to cool. Now, invariably when I'm harvesting purslane, it's a lot. So I can't use all one time, or I may not choose to use, I may not necessarily want to cook it at that point in time. So after it cools, what I would do then is put it in a freezer bag, and then I'll put it in the freezer, so that whenever I'm ready to use it, I have it already pre-prepared, because I did all the work in getting it ready for me, and it's just a matter of taking some and putting it in whatever dish. So for example, sometimes I will take some and put it in my egg in the morning when I'm making my omelette. You could even do purslane with rice. If you stir fry, I do that a lot. I would use onion, garlic, ginger, spring onions, seasoning peppers, a little bit of hot pepper. Stir fry that with some oil, some olive oil, and then put in your purslane, stir fry up that, and you have a nice healthy side dish that you can have. So I just wanted to share those tips with you. You have purslane growing in your garden and you have a whole lot, and you're like, what am I going to do with all of this? I just wanted to share that with you. Of course, purslane does have a look-alike to it that looks like purslane, but it's not. It's actually poisonous, and that one you don't eat, obviously, because it's poisonous. Right now the name of it is not coming to me, so I'll have to put the name up on the screen for you. But how you know that it's the poisonous one is if you break the stem and you see a white milky substance coming out, then you know that is not the edible, that is not purslane, but that's the poisonous one, and that's not what you would eat. So I hope you enjoyed this video and the tips that I shared with you in preparing or pre-preparing and storing your purslane for later use. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.